Welcome to Repair Tech channel. In this video I'll show you how to connect Bluetooth on your Ford Focus Mk2. This has this phone button, but I don't know how does that work, but this solution that I found on Amazon, that is in the link, that you can use to connect it to the aux adapter that is on the back side of the stereo, and then instead of aux you have a Bluetooth, and you can also have aux. So I can show you how, but before going into the video, please subscribe to the channel because this video is going to help you. That's why you're here, and you're going to help me back by subscribing the channel. So please subscribe. First you need to order this Bluetooth adapter from Amazon, eBay, wherever you find. I'll put a link in the description like where you can find this one. This is how it looks. It's a Bluetooth adapter. This one also comes with the aux extension, which is nice. Not all of them comes, so you can have your aux wire connected to this one and take it out from somewhere, because this is gonna stay in the back. And then you have this adapter, this stereo, I guess I'll check. This one has 12 pins, but not all are used, but 12 pins, because on the back side I'll show you this should straight away get in place of the aux. And this has three, four wires, but most importantly it has those two power wires. If you buy an external Bluetooth, you need to turn it off or connect it to the charger, or you need to charge it, but this one you can connect it to the power that you find on the back of the stereo, and then this will stay on every time. So let's try and see how this one works. First you need to pry this thing out. It also came with a mic, so I think you can install this, connect this to that aux wire that I showed you, the female adapter, and then you can use it. After you pry this from the sides, you just have to pull it out, but don't break it. Use some kind of this plastic one. Don't use the screwdriver because it will put marks. And then pry it from all the sides. And then you have those 4 Phillips screws. Nice and easy. Take them out. So after you remove those 4 Phillips screws, your stereo is out like this. And then you have to turn it around. Put it here, and then you look at this lock, so you have to pull this up. Yeah, and then like this. So now we have to remove. So in this model, it's this pin with the 12 pins and few wires that are going to the aux. So you will remove this one and pin with this pin, like, and then pull it out. So you see this exactly looks like the same from the back and from the front. This is gonna go into that place where we took the other thing out. For example, so exactly this pin facing the outside, and then you put this in that place. Yeah, looks good. So now this is in. Now we have to figure out the power cables and connect the power cables. Yeah, and then we can connect it here like this and try. So in this particular model, if you have the same color, so this yellow and green, this is a positive, and this green and black, these two ones are power. So how I've checked it, I have this multimeter, so you can turn the switch on just once and then connect these 2 leads in these 2 wires, and then you should see 12 volts. That's how I've checked. I checked online, but just to double check, I So now I'll make a little scar here and connect these two wires. I don't have anything fancy to connect these things or make a joint. I'll just cut them and put the tape on. You don't have to cut the whole wire with this blade. You can put a cut like 360 degrees. Just cut the plastic and then pull these two sides like this. Yeah, and then you can connect your wire and tape, so you don't have to cut the wire. As you see, the red wire I've connected to this yellow and green, and the black wire I've connected this black and green. And then I checked on my phone, I saw the name. It was strange name, Shuguo 2007, but then I saw this light is on and I've connected. So now my phone is connected, so at least I know this whole setup is working. This is powered on, and now the next step is to connect the stereo and test everything. Then I removed this lower part that was held by these two T25 screws, 1 and 2, and then you pry this out. So now I will find a sneaky way to put the cable in somehow nice and neatly. Now I've done the taping on both, and then I've taped everything on the back side. This previous clip and then the Bluetooth module somehow, so that it's secured and it's not like vibrating and weird sounds. Put the cable all the way through in from here, and then picked it out from here like this. And then if I try to close this thing, yeah, it sits and the cable is not pressed, so it's nice and free, so that it's not like it's a soft cable, it's not squeezed. And then yeah, I'll try now. So now I do everything in reverse, connect the connector, put the stereo back, put the screws back, put the plate back, and then we'll try with the Bluetooth. Everything nice and packed. You just have to put the screws, push this in from the bottom first, and then push this in from all the sides. This should be in. So the next thing you need to do is like at least switch on, and then here you need to move it to aux. I think this font means if you want to have a call, and not if you're picking a call, then you press this button. I was wrong. You press this button and then it goes mute, and then you can have a phone call. It doesn't mean that you connect the phone to this thing via this button. No. So what I've connected is that will work through aux. So you move it to the aux, and then on your phone, I think whatever the name is, in this case it's this, and then it will pair. You hear the sound, now it's paired. So now I'll play a video. Before I show you the final step, you need to press the subscribe button, and then you can see the final step. No, just kidding. It's your way of helping me back if this video helps you, because I need subscribers right now. So I've connected, and this is another video from my channel, like how to install the aux wire in the same Ford Focus. And then this video is about how to install aux wire in your Ford Focus or Ford car, Ford Mondeo if you don't have it. So it's not me talking, it's from the video. So have fun. It's quite easy, nice and simple. Come back for more videos. I'll keep posting Ford Focus. Press the bell button and come back for more videos. Watch other cool videos on my channel here, and press the subscribe right in the middle. See you again. Bye.